I just wanted to say thank you very much for the help during BlenderMarket. The new hard drive is looking pretty good, to be honest. Let me give you a kind of breakdown. Let's begin. Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now, I hope you're having a nice Easter, or you've had a nice Easter holiday. Now, you might be doing Ramadan at the moment. Good luck with that as well. That's a tough break, man. That is a tough break. But you've got to do what you've got to do. Or maybe you don't even celebrate Easter. Maybe you get a couple of days off work. So I hope you had a nice holiday. Hate the way you need to kind of tiptoe around so many religions these days. There's like a new religion popping up every single week. But anyway, I digress. I just wanted to say thank you very much for the help during BlenderMarket. Now, I took a different approach this market, or this sale rather, and I kind of noticed the trend with YouTubers and certain people who are influential in this, let's call it this sphere of Blender. And I didn't want to be that guy. I didn't want to just say, oh look, you need to buy this, I can make money. Now, I know a lot of YouTubers can actually make a pretty decent living or a decent cut. This is like their kind of way money, you know what I mean? I didn't want to be that guy. I didn't want to show, let's put it that way. But I did make a quick video saying, look, if you want to support the channel, there's a bunch of links. And I did see a couple of sales. Now, I think all in. Now, the sales aren't necessarily restricted just to BlenderMarket sales. There was a few sales before and there was hopefully a few sales after. Able to go out and afford something like a brand new 5TB hard drive, which is about 150 quid. I think I made all in over £200. Which is pretty good, because what did I do? I sat and make shitty YouTube videos and talk complete shit. Oh my god, I have no fucking idea where this video is going, but we might as well go down this route. So I just wanted to say thank you, pretty much. Dig me out a hole. Now, I know £200 for some people is absolutely pennies. For some people it's 2 months' wages, maybe even more. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's helped me out big time. Now, the reason I've not made so many videos in the last couple of days, or the last week or so, is because I'm full-time on work. At the end of the day, YouTube's fun for me, but I need to make my money, so I've got 2 jobs on it. Well, technically it's 3. It's 2 product renders, and hopefully the client will sign off on the animation. The animation's where generally you make most of your money, but the product renders are looking good. A little bit difficult. I've had a few bugs with Blender. Things like keyframes not showing up in the timeline, absolutely annoying. Things like hiding stuff in the outliner and it's not been disabled in the viewport. So I think I need to go up to version 3.2 when it comes to Blender. BlenderMarket sale, I think it finishes today. If you want to go and buy something, just save yourself a couple of quid. Probably now's the best time. If you can't afford it, one thing I maybe suggest is maybe just get in contact with the developer or the creator of the add-on. Now, if somebody comes to me and says, look, I can't afford Haggis Tools, or I can buy it when I've got money, I don't mind giving you a copy. Now, that doesn't mean you just say, oh, can I get a copy? Can I get a copy? Far from it, but I'm more than happy to help out. And I imagine most developers are probably in the same boat. They'll give you a free copy, or they'll try and help out the best they can. They might even give you like a 50% discount. Now, I know the BlenderMarket sale's on at the moment, so asking on top of that is a bit cheeky, but hey, what can you do? Oh, I've got this new brand of coffee and it's fucking dynamite, by the way. So yeah, I apologise for the lack of videos. Hopefully get back to it in a week or 2. I hope you're doing well. Anyway, take care.